Imagine experiencing a stronger sense of calm, clarity, and focus, all while boosting your mental well-being. Discover the top 11 ways meditation can transform your mind and enhance your overall mental health today. Welcome to Beginner's Friend. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can greatly impact your life, especially if you're in your 20s. In this fast-paced world we live in, where distractions are constantly vying for our attention, it's crucial to take a step back and focus on our well-being and achieve personal and professional growth. And what better way to do that than through the power of meditation? In this video, we'll explore 11 incredible benefits of meditation on your all-round growth in your 20s. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin exploring the incredible advantages of meditation, let's understand why meditation is particularly important for individuals in their 20s. This is the phase of life where we lay the foundation for our future. It's a time filled with countless opportunities, challenges, and self-discovery. The practice of meditation empowers you to navigate through this transformative period with grace and clarity. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you can unlock a world of benefits that contribute to all-round growth, personal and professional success, and enhanced mental strength. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Benefit number 1, mental strength and resilience. Meditation in your 20s can help you build incredible mental strength and resilience. As we navigate the challenges of adulthood, it's crucial to develop the ability to bounce back from setbacks and maintain a positive mindset. Meditation trains your mind to focus, increases self-awareness, and cultivates emotional balance. It allows you to observe your thoughts without judgment, helping you gain control over your reactions and become more resilient in the face of stress and adversity. Benefit number 2, boosted productivity. With endless distractions vying for our attention, staying focused on tasks becomes increasingly difficult. Meditation helps improve your ability to concentrate, making you more productive in your 20s. By practicing mindfulness during meditation, you develop the skill of bringing your attention back to the present moment, helping you to stay focused and accomplish your goals more efficiently. Benefit number 3, enhanced focus and clarity. In today's age of constant distractions, maintaining focus and clarity can be a real challenge. Meditation provides a sanctuary for your mind, allowing you to tune out the noise and sharpen your focus. By training your brain to stay present and concentrate on a single point of focus, you develop mental clarity and increase your ability to retain information. This mental clarity translates into improved decision-making, problem-solving skills, and better academic or professional performance. Benefit number 4, enhanced creativity. The 20s are a time of exploration and self-discovery. Meditation taps into your innate creativity by quieting the chatter of your mind and allowing new ideas to emerge. When you practice meditation, you create space for fresh perspectives, innovative solutions, and artistic inspiration. Embracing a regular meditation practice can fuel your creative endeavors and help you stand out in a world that values unique ideas. Benefit number 5, enhances self-awareness. Meditation can help you become more self-aware and better regulate your emotions. During your 20s, you're going through a lot of changes, and you may be struggling to figure out who you are and what you want out of life. Meditation can help you become more in tune with your thoughts and feelings, which can lead to greater self-awareness. This can also help you regulate your emotions, so you can respond to situations in a healthy and productive way. Benefit number 6, reduced anxiety and stress. As a 20-something, you might experience high levels of anxiety and stress due to the demands of work, relationships, and societal pressures. Meditation offers a natural and effective way to manage these overwhelming feelings. Studies have shown that regular meditation practice can reduce anxiety, lower stress levels, and promote a sense of calmness and well-being. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to meditation, you can experience a profound sense of peace and tranquility, enabling you to face challenges with greater resilience. Benefit number 7, improved sleep quality. How many of us struggle with sleep issues in our 20s? Late nights, work stress, and endless scrolling on our devices can wreak havoc on our sleep patterns. Meditation comes to the rescue once again. By practicing mindfulness meditation before bed, you can calm your mind, release tension, and create an optimal environment for a restful night's sleep. Adequate sleep is vital for maintaining good mental health and overall well-being, allowing you to wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Benefit number 8. Enhanced emotional intelligence. In your 20s, building meaningful relationships and effective communication skills are paramount. Meditation cultivates emotional intelligence by helping you become more self-aware and empathetic towards others. By developing this emotional intelligence, you can navigate social interactions with grace, build stronger connections, and resolve conflicts more effectively. Additionally, a greater understanding of your own emotions allows you to manage them in a healthier way, leading to improved mental and emotional well-being. Benefit number 9. Financial growth. Yes, you heard it right. Meditation can even skyrocket your financial growth. By training your mind to focus, remain calm, and make clear decisions, you develop a mindset that is conducive to financial success. Meditation enhances your ability to set goals, make sound financial choices, and stay disciplined in your pursuit of financial stability and abundance. Benefit number 10. Improved relationships. Your 20s are a time of building and nurturing connections, both personally and professionally. Meditation fosters empathy, compassion, and kindness towards yourself and others. By practicing loving-kindness meditation, you develop a greater capacity for understanding, empathy, and healthy communication. These qualities lay a strong foundation for building meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Benefit number 11. Increased happiness and life satisfaction. Last but certainly not least, meditation in your 20s can bring you greater happiness and life satisfaction. The regular practice of meditation activates the release of endorphins and promotes a positive outlook on life. By becoming more mindful and present, you can savor the simple joys, appreciate the beauty around you, and find contentment in the present moment. As a result, you experience a deeper sense of fulfillment, leading to increased overall happiness and satisfaction in your personal and professional life. And there you have it, incorporating a daily meditation practice into your life can transform the way you experience the world, helping you achieve personal growth, boost your productivity, and find balance amidst the chaos. And watch this video to discover the 10 most effective steps to boost your time management skills in this present world of instant gratification and comfort.